In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the duration of your animations in Canva. If you've ever worked with animations, you know that timing is everything. The duration can dramatically change the feel and flow of your visual content. So let's dive into the steps to customize your animations just the way you want them. First, open your project in Canva. This can be any design you've been working on or a fresh new one. Canva is quite user-friendly, so navigating to your design should be a breeze if you're familiar with the platform. If not, it's really intuitive. Just log in and you'll see your recent projects on the homepage. Click on the design you want to adjust. Now, once you're in your design, it's time to focus on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline displays all the elements of your design, including text, images, and of course animations. Here's where you can really bring your project to life by adjusting the time. Click on the animation you'd like to change. When you select an item, a menu will usually pop up showing various options. So let's say you want to adjust the duration of a specific animation. You'll notice a small bar just underneath your design in the timeline view. This bar represents the current duration of your animation. The simplest method to change this is to drag the ends of this duration bar. Click on the edge of the bar and drag it to the right to make your animation last longer, or drag it to the left to shorten the duration. It's that simple, and you can visually see how the timing affects your overall design. A good tip is to play around with different durations to see what feels most natural for your specific content. Sometimes a few seconds longer or shorter can really change the impact of your animation. Remember, animations on Canva default to a certain length when you first add them, but you have the power to tweak it according to your creative vision. As you adjust the duration, keep an eye on the preview. Canva's interface lets you instantly see the effect of your timing adjustments, so use this preview to make sure everything aligns perfectly with the look and feel you're aiming for. Once you're happy with the changes, you can always play the entire animation to see how all elements work together in harmony. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. While Canva often autosaves, it's a good practice to manually save your work to ensure you don't lose those perfect timing adjustments. Simply click the Save button, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Adjusting the duration of your animations in Canva is a straightforward process that adds so much value to your design. By experimenting with these tips, you can enhance your visual storytelling like never before. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.